students, welcome back to our science sessions. As you know that in term 2 we had started our chapter number 10. Now we are going to learn about lesson number 11. The name of the chapter is force and pressure. I think this is very easy chapter. It is the base of physics. What is force and what is pressure? Force, that you know very well, when you are something pushing or pulling something, that is known as force. Here I have mentioned some points about the force. First of all, let's overview the chapters, which thing we are going to learn in this chapter. First is force, a push or pull. Next point is that forces are due to an interaction. मतलब दो चीज का interaction होगा, then you have to apply the force. Third thing, exploring forces, how you explore the forces. In detail we will learn everything, but first of all I am giving the overview of the topic. First topic is force only. Fourth point, force can change the state of motion. Motion मतलब movement. Force can also change the movement of the force. Next is, forces can change the shape of the object. Contact force and the non-contact force. These things. Force can change the state of motion. Force can change the shape of motion. That you can understand in our routine life also. You can see examples in our routine life also. So now we will start one by one topic in depth. Now let's continue with our topic. First topic is force. Before clear the content of force, I have just written here many 3 or 4 questions. With the help of these questions, we will be clear with the topic force. First question is that, what do you do to make a moving ball faster? Can you give me the answer? What can you do to moving ball faster? If you want to reduce the speed of ball, if you want to increase the moving ball, what you will do? You have to give me the answer only. That I will ask in our online sessions. Next question. How does a goalkeeper stop a ball? When goalkeeper is standing in front of the net, what he will do to stop the ball? What he will do when ball is coming in front of his side? He is trying to push the ball. Why? Because he doesn't want that opposite team will make a goal. Next point. How do the fielders stop a ball that hit by the batsman? What the batsman is doing, and on the other side, what the fielder is doing, what the bowler is doing. What happened when the bowler is bowling, that is in front of the batsman? Again, this batsman is hitting the ball, and whatever bowlers are standing there, they are trying to reduce the speed of ball. They are trying to push the ball. So next is, hockey player change the direction with a flick of stick. When hockey player is flicking the stick, see, difference is there. When we are talking about the batsman, cricket, the word which we are using, that is hitting. The word for the batsman, we are using hitting. While in the case of hockey player, we are not using the word hitting, but instead of hitting, we will use the word flicking. Instead of hitting, we will use the word hitting. So what the hockey player, when he is doing with like this, he is pushing only, no? He is pushing the ball. So in these cases, the person, the player is doing the force only to change the direction of the ball also. Why direction? Because when the bowler is bowling, it will come from the batsman side. Again, the batsman is hitting the ball. It will in front of his side. मतलब ball उसके सामने जाएगा. So when applying force, they will change the directions. Now let's see which actions we are doing to apply the force. Here I have mentioned some examples. Picking. Picking मतलब picking of flowers. Opening, shutting, kicking, lifting, flicking, pushing, pulling. These all are the examples in which we have to apply the force. In which we have to use the force. But what is the force? वो तो हमको पता होना चाहिए ना. What is the force? So in a simple word, simple definition is given only here. A push or pull on an object, that is called a force. वो तो आप पहले से यही पढ़ते आ रहे हो ना. A pushing or pulling on an object, otherwise a push or pull on an object, that is called a force. Now In your book, one activity is also given. In that book, you have to first recognize the type of actions. In that 11.1 activity, you have to recognize the type of actions. Afterwards, whatever actions are there, out of them, you have to divide into two columns, two groups. Either it is pushed or otherwise it is pulled. The simple example is that if you are opening the door, you are opening the door, matlab you are pulling it. If you are closing the door, if you are shutting the door, it will be pulled out. So this way, in this activity, you have to recognize the first of all types of action, and afterwards you have to group in either pushed or pulled. Next example is given, attraction and repulsion in magnet. Remember your grade 6th, 5th or 6th science. In that grade, you have learned about what is the attraction and what is the repulsion in magnet. So when attraction will be there in the magnet, when attraction मतलब attract होना और repulsion मतलब दूर हो जाना. तो attraction, when opposite poles will be there in magnet, two poles are there, north pole and south pole. When north pole and south pole, otherwise when you are taking two magnets, out of two, they are having the two poles. Opposite poles will be there, north and south, otherwise south and north. It will be a attraction. I can write here as NS or SN. It will be the example of attraction. What about the repulsion? Repulsion मतलब दूर होना, एक दूसरे से दूर हो जाना. So when repulsion will happen, when the same pole will be there, NN or SS, north pole are there and south pole are there in both the magnet. At that time repulsion will be there and opposite poles are there. At that time attraction will be there. So what? How can you learn in the force? मतलब when two poles are attracting with each other, means they are forcing each other to come interact with each other, to come near to each other. So that's why we can take example attraction and repulsion in magnets. So I hope this point about in which things we are using the force, which activities are there and definition of force, that is clear to you. Start our next topic. The next topic is forces are due to an interaction. Interaction मतलब come into contact with each other. This point we will take, we will understood. We will keep this content clear with one example. It is given in your book also. A man is standing behind a car, and the second is a car is being pushed by the man. Suppose that you can think also कि one एक car ऐसे ही पड़ी है. That man, वो कार बिगड़ गई. It is not in working car. So that man wants to push the car. Whenever that man is pushing the car, at the same time only it will start. Suppose he is standing behind the car, that's why only. Can this car will start? No, car will not start. Because when that whatever person is standing behind the car, he will push it. Push मतलब जिसे हम बोलते हैं ना धक्का लगाना. When this person is pushing the car, then and then only it will be the chances to start the car. Without ऐसे खड़े रहने से car start नहीं होगी. That you can see in the pictures also कि जब you have to come into contact, you have to interact with the another object to apply the force. ऐसे खड़े रहने से force apply नहीं होगा. ये जादू की छड़ी नहीं है तो ऐसे चला दिया और force apply हो गया. You have to interact with the object only. Next in next figure, one question is given here. Who is pushing whom? In that picture, two girls is standing there. Can you identify that only who is pushing who down? Who is pushing to whom? So in that picture, you can see easily that both the girls are pushing each other because they are turning round and round. In that one, they are pushing each other. And next is given who is pulling to whom? In the two pictures as given, one is for two girls is turning round and another is one bullock is there and one man is there. When man is pulling the bullock also, bullock himself only pulling it side to for the safer side only. So that's why four questions are there to explain you the content, the topic of forces are due to an interaction. For that four examples we have taken. First is about the car and the man. Next is about the who is pushing to whom, two girls are standing there. And the last is who is pulling to whom, man and bullock example is there. Now move towards the next point, exploring the force. How you will explore the force? how you can explore the मतलब force को आप कैसे explore करोगे? Either it is in the same direction or it is the opposite direction. वो एक डायरेक्शन में है कि अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में, आपको कब कौन सा फोर्स अप्लाई करना है, that how can you explore it? See, first here two you can apply the force in a two ways, either in the same direction or in the opposite direction. Let's see. First I have written example here. Forces are applied to an object in the same direction. Add to one another. Forces are applied on an object in the same direction and add to one another. For that, one example is given in your book, that one heavy box is there and two friends are there. One heavy box is there and two friends are there. You can see here in the picture also. When two friends are pushing the box in the same direction, when two friends are pushing that box in the same direction, it will be move easily. But in the another case, what will happen? When two friends are standing here, they are standing in the opposite side of the box. Opposite side of the box, what will happen? One is pushing from here, second is pushing from here. Force will not apply. Force will not apply. Then what happens? That heavy box is there. Whatever heavy load is there, it is not movable easily. So what can we conclude from here? Whenever the force are applied in the same direction, it will work easily. The heavy work is there, it will move easily. Same in the another part, opposite direction. If the two forces act in the opposite direction of an object, the net force, whatever forces are applied by the friends here, whatever forces are applied by the man here, that acting on it, the difference between the two forces में जिसका फोर्स ज्यादा होगा वो उसको उस डायरेक्शन में वो मूव करेगा. Simple things means when force is done in the same direction, it will be move easily. But when the force is done by the opposite direction, what will happen? The difference will be there. In that case, it will be move only. For that, we can take one example. The name of the game, that is tug of war. Do you know what is tug of war? In that only same procedure is there. Two teams are there. Whatever strong, both the teams are pushing to opposite team only. Whatever strong team will be there. Whatever strong team will be there in that direction, the team will be pushed out, pulled out, and strong force. What I written here? Net force. Strong force is there. In that one, this team will be won. So here in that we can take example of tug of war. And the last is the strength of a force is usually expressed by its magnitude. The strength of a force is usually expressed by its magnitude. So here we take of three examples. First is moving in heavy box. Second is the example of tug of war, and about the magnitude. So in that we have taken the example of heavy box. Again I am repeating, when force is applied in the same direction, the force will work very fast. If it will be the opposite direction, whatever strong person will be there, whatever strong thing will be there, it will be moved from that side. And the last about the magnitude. So here today I have explained about the force. What is force? A push or pulling of an object, that is force. Afterwards, how can you apply the force? In which activities you have to apply the force? And next we will learn about the forces are due to an interaction of two objects. Either that is person or object, that doesn't matter. But forces are due to an interaction. And the last topic is the exploring force. The remaining topics will be there that we will learn in the next video. So again I am requesting you to watch this video carefully regarding this point. I think it is easy only, you are not having any doubt, but then and then also I am saying that regarding this topic you are having any doubt is that we will get solved in our online sessions. Till then, thank you.